These DIY cardboard object building videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now. And here's the crazy part. This niche is still surprisingly unsaturated, which means there's a massive opportunity to jump in before everyone else catches on. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos just like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, $0. Sounds illegal? It isn't. Let's get into it. First, I've created a master prompt for you guys. And trust me, this master prompt alone does about 80% of the work for you. Seriously, it's like having an AI assistant that already knows exactly what you want. The very first thing you need to do is copy the entire master prompt and open Claude AI. Once you're inside, simply paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within just a few seconds, Claude AI generates 10 unique DIY cardboard object ideas for you to choose from. Take a moment to read through them carefully, and if none of them catch your attention or you just want even more fresh ideas, simply type "more" into the prompt box and hit send again. And boom! Just like that, Claude gives you another batch of completely fresh DIY ideas. No brainstorming, no creative block, just endless ideas ready to go. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 3, so I simply type 3 into the prompt box and hit send. Just like that, Claude generates an extremely detailed video prompt, and as you can see, it's incredibly detailed. The best part? This single prompt can generate our entire video from start to finish. Now copy the entire video prompt carefully and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode and select the Omni Flash video model. Then simply paste the video prompt into the video prompt box and hit generate. It takes a little bit of time, so just be patient. Don't worry, the AI isn't making a Hollywood movie, although it kind of looks like it. And boom! As you can see, our video is generated. Now take a look at the result. The video looks incredibly realistic, extremely satisfying to watch, and honestly, I don't think anyone would ever guess that this was created with AI. The craftsmanship, the camera angles, the lighting, and the overall quality look insanely convincing. Once your video is ready, download it in the highest resolution available to get the best possible quality. And using this exact same workflow, here's another video I created. Same process, different idea, equally impressive results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Excentra so you never miss the next AI viral niche before it gets saturated. Trust me, you'd rather be early than watch someone else go viral with the same idea a few months later. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.